Well, for all you Hrithik Roshan fans out there, certainly time to rejoice. And the guy is looking better and better by the day. Maturing like old wine, we say some places. But doesn't matter. Well, what does matter first is the weekend. The weekend is coming up, and with it is Matru ki Bijli ka Mandola. And guess what? I caught up with Matru, Bijli and Mandola. And bhai sahab, mera to man डोली गया. क्या आपका मन डोलेगा इसके बाद? देखिए तो सही.
बेगी का गुल्ला जब तंबू खोला तब गुल्लम गुल्ला बल्ले वो बोला फिर मैं बोला ए मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला ए मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला मटरू रे मटरू मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला ए मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला.
देवी और सज्जनों, आपने ये भैंस कहीं पे देखी? क्योंकि ये मेरी भैंस है. मैंने इसको डंडा मारा और उसके बाद भाग गई. और सुनने में आया कि वो बिल्कुल सीधा मुंबई चली गई और इन लोगों के पास चली गई है. ये है मटरू के भैंस वाले. सर बताए कहां पे है मेरी भैंस? Where is my buffalo?
Your buffalo is not here.
Where is it? Where? It is in film?
It is in Bombay.
It is in Bombay. But I believe it is big part, item number, etc. in Matru ki Bijli ka Mandola, and I come from Mandola Gaon. So you have to tell me, what is the secret of the bhans in the movie?
The secret of the bhans cannot be revealed at this point.
Because it's a secret.
If the bhans is mine and I love the bhans, then I have a right to know.
जिसकी भैंस उसका डंडा. What is that saying?
भाई साहब पढ़ भी जाएगी, ऐसे मत कहना गलती कर रहे हैं.
If you love a bhans
yes.
and you let it go,
yes.
if it comes back, it is yours.
Oh, lovely.
If it does not, it never was.
Okay, guys, but
I believe.
Certainly, and the secret of the bhans you are not going to reveal to me. But tell me, why a pink bhans? Pankaj ji, you have to tell me. You are the person with experience. Why not a red bhans? My bhans was pink. Why did you choose her?
यार एक सेकंड.
हाँ.
दो तीन चीजें तय हो जाए यहाँ पे. पहले तो ये तय हो जाए कि भैंस आपकी है कि हमारी है. ओके. फिर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि
सर आई लव गुलाबो.
नहीं, आई नो, आई लव गुलाबो.
सर आई हैव गुलाबो टाटर. डू यू हैव गुलाबो टाटर?
दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फैबुलस एंड फैंटास्टिक. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर सेइंग मेरी भैंस आप लोग ले गए. फिर आप ये पूछ रहे हो ये पिंक भैंस का आइडिया कहां से? अरे पिंक भैंस आपकी है. आप बताओगे आपने पिंक भैंस घर पे रखी क्यों थी यार?
सर पिंक भैंस मेरी है, दूध पिंक देती थी, अच्छा मजा आता था. लोग खुश होते थे.
भाई आपकी भैंस इतनी हसीन, इतनी खूबसूरत थी और इतनी सेक्सी थी जी कि हमारी फिल्म के अंदर हमने उसको कास्ट किया इन अ वेरी वंडरफुल रोल, जो कि जैसी फिल्म रिलीज होगी तो लोगों को अंदाजा होगा कि आपकी भैंस पिंक रंग की मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला में क्या कर रही है. सेक्सी वाली. चलो मतलब एटलीस्ट आई एम हैप्पी कि सही जगह पहुंची, कहीं भटक तो नहीं गई.
But tell me guys, this is from day one and it's a long time now. You will come to the end of the movie. There's very little known about this movie. Why is that? I mean, is it such a secret that I just know that there's a Matru, a Bijli and a Mandola, and I do not know very much other than that? I'm confused because I see African dancers on scene, right? I see Matru sometimes flirting with her and sometimes she says mujhse shaadi kar le. So now where is that relationship? It's all getting very confusing to me, and I'm sure to everybody else. So can we clear the air?
The thing is, I think when people hear Vishal Bharadwaj's name, the first thing they assume is that it will be some very heavy, serious movie. It will be a very heavy, serious movie. The first thing was they had to prepare the audience that he has made a comedy film. And frankly, I don't know why he waited so long. He has a great sense of humor. He's a very funny guy. So the first thing was to prepare the audience that it's a Vishal Bharadwaj film, but it is not that dark, serious thing which you are expecting. It is actually a lot of fun. That took a while. Then slowly we started to give out little bits of information as much as was needed.
Okay.
Personally, as an audience, I prefer to go in watching a film knowing very little about it. If you know everything, then what are you sitting there for?
I think what you know is like what is the flavor of the film, which is as much as one should know. Because other than that, if you know
flavor, only one flavor I know, set in Haryana.
No, of course you know it's a comedy.
I know that ladies goes into pond. Two things I know.
You know the characters are a bit odd. You can make out the characters seem normal. You know that the characters are funny and the film is funny. So that's what you know. And then more than that, I don't think anybody should know. Then you'll go and watch the movie and you'll discover more because there is a lot to discover.
You've done a Maqbool with Vishal Bharadwaj. Now you're doing Matru. Essentially, in terms just of direction, nothing else. Has anything changed, Vishal? Or is he still the same that he used to be for a Maqbool? Because it's a totally different movie there.
I think his hunger is the same as it was at the time of Maqbool. his hunger to become better, to do good work, to do different work, to do the kind of work that he believes in, to pick up subjects that he likes and he believes in. That hunger stays the same today, but his maturity as a director has definitely gone much ahead.
Both of you, for this movie, it's brand new and fresh and different from everything that you ever done before. So for both of you, what does this movie essentially mean?
I think it's the most different script that I've ever done, or the most different world that I've ever played a character in. So I think that's what's different for me. It was something that I'm not familiar with, the world I'm not familiar with. I do not have the kind of experiences the character has, or any of these characters have. I've not seen people like these. So for me, it was a challenge to be able to fit myself into the whole scheme of things and make it believable and relatable. So I think that challenge is what this film was for me, and I'm really happy that I got to. I mean, I think to a certain extent, it's added a bit of maturity in me as an actor.
तो कच्चा बनियान पहन के मत जाया कर तालाब में।
जी तो क्या उतार कर जाया करूं? कच्चा कि बनियान?
शादी कर ले मुझसे।
शादी तुझसे?
पता चल गया।
ये
मुझे मीना कुमारी कॉम्प्लेक्स है।
मडरू की बिजली का मंडोला।
What's your take home from this?
For me, it was just such a great opportunity to work with a director like Vishal Bhardwaj, to work with an actor like Pankaj Ji, and of course to finally get to work with Anushka, which is something that we had a couple of near misses in the past. I think actually Anushka put her finger on it. There's been such tremendous growth that I felt in myself. The kind of confidence, the kind of security that I've started to feel in myself as an actor, I really didn't feel this way when I entered the film. And that is only due to the working process, to the working experience. The kind of support that Vishalji has given me, the kind of opportunities that he's given me to perform in this.
Okay, so it is certainly going to be a fantastic first Friday and the first big release, and all the best to you guys. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
And of course, may Matru ki bijli ka mandola rock.
जब तंबू खोला तब गुल्लम आसमान में भैंस बोला फिर मैं बोला ए मडरू की बिजली का मंडोला।
जब दिल सांड हो ना तो हर लड़की भैंस दिखाई देती है मेरी जान।